Do you know that you can edit videos using Canva as well? If you don't, then this video is here for you. Hello guys and welcome to How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna show you how to edit videos using Canva. Here I already have a video uploaded and set as my background. Now I want to edit this video. So let's see what to do. Simply click on the video, and on the menu bar you will be greeted by many of these options. You can just take a look at it. Edit video, playback, crop, flip, animate, position, transparency, copy style, block background, and the volume itself. We select the first option, that is edit video. In here we are given two options to change the effects. There are lots of filters here, as you can see. You can choose from anyone you wish. I'm gonna choose this one. Let's go back and let's just try to adjust the warmth, tint, brightness, whatever there is. Let's increase the warmth a bit. Let's play around. As you can see, there are lots of options here. You can choose to edit your photo or video using these options. And guys, that's how you do it. That's how you edit your video using Canva. For more informational videos like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.